DK-2300 is a compact and lightweight electronic tally counter. The numbers on its display are large and easy to read. The main feature is that it offers 4 functions in a single device. DK-2300 lets you switch modes according to the function. In Mode 1, it allows subtraction. In Mode 2, you can display sum or difference of 2 counters. In Mode 3, you can switch between 3 independent counters. And in Mode 4, you can store up to 59 count values. Now let's go over how to use it. First, select the mode using the dip switches on the back of the unit. When switch number 1 is on and switch number 2 is also on, the unit enters Mode 1. It allows subtraction. Next, put the battery in. In Mode 1, both counting up and counting down are available. When reset, the current count value is stored and displayed at the top of the screen as a reference. Up to the last 2 values are stored and overwritten sequentially. When switch number 1 is set to on and switch number 2 is set to off, the unit enters Mode 2. In Mode 2, only counting up is available. 2 counters can be used independently. DK-2300 automatically calculates and displays either the sum or the difference of the 2 count values. When the reset button is pressed, both counters are reset simultaneously. When switch number 1 is set to off and switch number 2 is set to on, the unit enters Mode 3. In Mode 3, both counting up and counting down are available. 3 counters can be used independently. Pressing the S button switches between the counters in use. When the reset button is pressed, the count value of the currently selected counter is reset to 0. When switch number 1 is set to off and switch number 2 is also set to off, the unit enters mode 4. In mode 4, only counting up is available. Up to 59 count values can be stored and recalled for reference. By pressing the S button, you can toggle between the counting function and the stored value reference function. When you change from one mode to another, make sure to remove the battery first. If the dip switch setting is changed without removing the battery, the display disappears and the device does not operate properly.